Guys, thank you very much for coming back. We're going to be making shrimp cakes today and vegetable fried rice. This is going to be a really fun and fast meal. So if you're really in a bind, this could be really fun. Let's go. With these few ingredients, let's get started. What we're gonna use first, we're gonna make the rice. So let's get that rice ready. And we're gonna get the seasonings ready as well. Come, let's go. So in this pot, we're just gonna be putting some olive oil. We're gonna let this olive oil get warm, and then we're gonna add a little bit of seasoning. This is just my normal green seasoning that you can watch that cool montage to find out how to make. Touch of salt. Now that we're getting that beautiful aroma out of this, let's add those vegetables to here. So what I'm going to do first is add the onion. Now the carrots. We're adding the carrots first because they take the longest to cook out of all of these other vegetables. In the meanwhile, we're going to add a little bit of water. That's going to help really caramelize all of those ingredients. Wow, smells fantastic. Now that we're getting those carrots now we got those carrots to about an 80%. Let's go ahead and add the broccoli and not broccoli at all. Let's now add the cauliflower and the bok choy. Okay, so let's process these shrimp cakes, and I didn't add my okra because the other vegetables take a little longer to cook, so we don't want to get overcook the okra. So let's process these shrimp cakes, and what we're going to use is the same food processors that we use for the green seasoning, and then we're going to use the green seasoning and the shrimp cakes. And so now that we have the base is the green seasoning, we're going to add a couple of shrimps. I cleaned this prior. Ooh. Let's just do it. Okay, yeah, woo, easy. 1 egg. Some salt. And some breadcrumbs. Okay, so let's give this a quick process. And get ready to roll into shrimp cakes. Okay guys, so we're just gonna come over here, check these vegetables out. Time to add the okra. Let's add that okra. At this point, I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. Now all the vegetables are pretty much perfectly cooked. We're gonna add that rice from before. You always wanna use 1 day old rice. You get the best consistency for stir fry. Rice, stir rice, vegetable stir fry. Fried rice. At this time, I'm gonna add the egg. Now we're gonna give it a taste and add a little bit of salt at the same time. Good night. That's gonna be fabulous. Right here, we have our shrimp paste that we had dressed, blended. Now we're going to be making it into something that we can call a cake. So let's do it. Now that we've done these beautiful shrimp cakes, let's pull them out. Check them out. If you're looking for a simple 30-minute recipe to impress your friends, or your Instagram people, or I don't know, whoever, this is the meal for you. This is the quick recipe for you. All right, try it out at home and let me know what you guys think. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and please subscribe if you haven't, and press that notification bell and press the thumbs up. Let them know where we are. So thanks very much, and guys, look at this.